Hey guys, how are you doing?
We're doing
Good.
good.
Good. I'm so good to see you. Hey, we're gonna go right to our dashboard.
Okay.
And do you see where it says the Christmas challenge?
Yes.
All
Yep.
right. Let's go right to the library and find where the Christmas challenge is. And we're
Okay.
going to start right off with level one. So if you guys can go ahead and click on that, that would be awesome. Now click on that song.
Okay.
Great. Hey, Auntie, what is the time signature there?
That's 4/4. So there are four beats, and a quarter note gets the beat.
All right. Very good. Charlie, can you go ahead and click on that very first note that you see?
Yes.
Now, if you notice the keyboard up there, it's going to show us exactly where that note is on those keys. Can you guys go ahead and play that note for me?
Yes.
It's an E.
Awesome. Very, very good. All right, so we're going to get ready. We're going to actually do group play. And what
Okay.
we're going to do is I'm going to have Charlie be the host. Why don't you go ahead and set that up for me? Because you are very good with the technology. And then we're going to go ahead and start the challenge. And I want you to do is go right through the songs. And then we'll go ahead and stop. And then that way we can see how you guys have been doing. All right, you guys, you ready to go ahead and start group play?
Yep.
All right, begin.
One, two, set, go.
Wow, that was awesome. Let's see what the scores are. Let's go ahead and celebrate. Give me those fireworks there, Auntie. And same thing with
I
you,
can't.
Charlie.
I can't.
Oh,
I
there you
can't.
go.
I can only do
Yay!
one.
I
Let's
got it.
everybody clap. Good job. Keep up the great work.